All right, first thing we gotta do is get this hub off. You only got what, 6 of these little Allen screws here. Really short, really small. Don't lose them. Hang on to your hub. That's it, right there. We gotta take this little spring clip off. Piece of cake. Then we gotta take these 6 bolts. Oh. And there you have it. There's your lock and hub. Now we got to get to the bearings, which is taking this nut, and then you're just going to need these tabs bent over. Get them flattened out so you can get that nut off of there. I'll usually use like a cold chisel or old screwdriver or something, and then I'll switch over to my brass. I'll beat the snot out of it. If you don't have brass, that'll work too. Just get it flattened out so the nut clears. Then just take that nut off. Then you just gotta fish this other one out of there. Could use a pick. I choose Allen wrenches. Piece of cake. We're gonna take that nut off. And then behind that, you got this flat washer. A pick works really good. And you got your bearing. You should be able to just pop this off. Catch your bearing. And there you have it. That's how you take the front hub assembly off and get to your caliper bracket.